Hello guys, it's already deep night here in Moscow, 26th of December, and yeah, we have a Christmas tree here. Moreover, I have a Happy New Year present for my subscribers. So leave a comment down here at the video, and I will randomly send 0.1 BTC to the winner, who will be chosen randomly. Just leave a comment and add your BTC wallet to your comment here. Yeah, so the main objective of our video is analysis of Bitcoin halving, and I'm going to summarize what crypto speakers said about that, opinion leaders, what do they think about it, what will happen with Bitcoin miners around the world. But before we will start analyzing, I wanted to show you a new installation by Beeminer company, and yeah, you can see here it is an installation for 6 Antminer S17, which is quite convenient. Yeah, and very soon Beeminer team is going to reveal a new overclocking firmware which can level up the hash rate of your S17 miners up to 86 terahash, what is pretty much, I guess. Guys, so Bitcoin halving is coming rapidly, and we can see on bitcoinhalv.com this beautiful countdown. So we have approximately 140 days, and as they estimate that will happen on 14th of May 2020, they even gave approximate time when it's going to happen, but as you know, nobody can predict it in the right way. So but I would be really happy if they could guess it so well, predict it so well. Yeah, so the main idea of halving is that the block reward will decrease from 12.5 to 6.25 coins per block. And yeah, that's going to happen for the third time with Bitcoin. And this deflation model gives us really big hopes that Bitcoin will skyrocket during 2020 year. And I found this beautiful article on Hacknoon website, which I love so much. And this analysis is really great. So we can find out in this article how block rewards are going to be distributed among the mining pools, how much mining pools will earn, how much simple Bitcoin miners will earn. These calculations are really great, but I would love to concentrate on previous halvings and Bitcoin price, what happened with Bitcoin price after them. Yeah, and we also have this information in this article. So the first Bitcoin halving happened on 28th of 2012, and actually it wasn't so bullish just after the halving. So as we see here on this chart, maybe it's not the best chart, but we had Bitcoin halving at this point, and yeah, it started to grow, but we can't say this that it grew up really rapidly. But nevertheless, just in 1 year, we had absolutely enormous results, and BTC reached his all-time maximum. Yeah, it happened just within 1 year after halving. So that really gives us some good expectations, but I don't agree with guys who are so bullish, who says that we'll see immediate growth of Bitcoin. So as you see, yeah, Bitcoin price jumped from $11 till 1100 in 2013. Yeah, and I would love to be in Bitcoin mining during this time, but unfortunately, I didn't mine during this period. So speaking about second halving, which happened in July 2016, um, yeah, the price was about 600 $700 per coin, and let's see on Bitcoin chart how BTC behaved itself. So the halving was approximately here, and we still don't see the rapid growth of Bitcoin. So during the August of 2016, it was even declining, and it started to grow just during the October, but this growth was enormous again, and the big rally till $20,000 has started during this period. So, speaking about halving, which will happen in May, I I wanted to show you the idea of Anthony Pompliano, who said that Bitcoin will reach 100K by 2021. Anthony is quite really wide known person in blockchain field, and actually I agree with him, because as we have already seen and checked it on Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin have never had started to grow throughout the first months or 2 months. It usually starts to grow in half of a year after halving. So the biggest bull run in Bitcoin's history we will probably see in 2021 or throughout the end of 2020. So, yeah, summarizing our video, I would love to say that Bitcoin halving gives us great opportunities in terms of Bitcoin price. However, a lot of miners will suffer from Bitcoin halving, but nevertheless, Bitcoin price will compensate us our loss in mining rewards. So yeah, I personally anticipate Bitcoin up to 50K throughout 2020. Remember my conclusion. Goodbye, guys.